Yo guys, so this is it. PPI trading, and I thought I'm gonna just come in here and do a quick $200 like we did yesterday on the trades. The idea is very simple. We're going to trade PPI. PPI is coming up in about 8 minutes. So obviously it's a very important reading. Now we have to see how things turn out. Might be shittier than than expected, meaning it's higher inflation, meaning the market should nuke a little bit. But ultimately, I think crypto week is happening. I'm gonna do all that a little bit later, but we do have a great possibility for a pump here. And as I've been saying a long time, I'm still experimenting with these bots, but we do have these bots that I literally opened here on the show: 17%, 12%, 23%, 13%, 126%, 23%. So it's gonna be cool. But what I'm experimenting with is how I don't really trust the bot that I just leave it there, right? So, but if it can complement my trading method, I think it could be cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on to Sol. I'm gonna show you exactly how I will trade this. Now, I do not recommend you follow this. This is DGen stuff, or if you do follow this specific trade that I'm gonna take now, then just be cautious on what you're doing. I'm gonna do it into the 1 minute chart. Also, guys, are you here? Is everybody here? Let me just play this song here from 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙. Is everybody here? What's happening? Let's go, best channel out there. I'm so happy you're here. One, let's go. Bots are cool, bro. I'm happy. I don't trade news events, but I did yesterday with 𝗙𝗢𝗡 soul trade. He can be very convincing and hit a home run. I'm so happy. 𝗙𝗢𝗡 says that we can get a 300 future grid bonus when depositing 500, so that means I can open 800 but once I get the bonus. Yes, exactly, that's what it means. We're here, bro. Good. What's minimum amount for bot? It really depends. I'm gonna do a whole tutorial later. Of course, here I'm so happy. So is the music too loud here? Cause
it looks like it's going to.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to the 1 minute chart, and I do think that even if the reading is bad, I think that this here should hold, this region, right? So my plan is to trade this with a grid. So I'm gonna go set up a grid. I'm gonna go lowest price point is gonna be down here for me, 166. Again, this is literally just for the PPI event. I just want to show you how to actually, please watch the show, how to actually do this, okay? So that's gonna be one, and the upside can be higher, right? So I'll go 169 maybe, 169. So that's gonna be my grid. It's gonna be going from here, layering all the way as we drop, and layer out all the way as we moon higher. So we're gonna start here. My grid's quantity is gonna be, it's not a big range, so I don't know what it will allow me to do. It allows me to do 45 grids. That's decent enough. I'm gonna put in $1,000, and the most important is that I'm gonna take this out. I'm actually gonna put in $500. I'm gonna take this out of reverse, so it will not use my funds, and I'll get a clear liquidation price, and then I can increase my leverage. So let's go. I'm gonna go 25. If this is all foreign to you, one, there's a link in the description. I would recommend you go and check it out. Sign up to 𝗙𝗢𝗡, test run with the bot. There's a sign up bonus as well. But also, I will do a full tutorial. So subscribe to the channel and check out all the socials in the link. So it allows me to go 27, and my liquidation price is still, let me go higher. What if I go 50x here? What we will do then? 64, okay, let's do 50x. So that means if I ruin this, I'll lose $500. That's fine. So we go here, 66. I'm gonna launch the bot here. Let's go. So my liquidation on this bot is going to be down here. So that's basically my stop loss. It's easy to follow. So the idea here is that I literally just set this bot up so we can trade the news that is happening in about 4 minutes. So the idea here is that this thing, we go down to the 1 minute chart. The idea here is that this thing is going to start trading. What is this here? The bot is just going to start trading. I'm actually going to put this up in big so we all see it. And as it will start dumping or pumping on the news, we're going to start layering in. Now, you could not do this manually. I cannot, first of all, I don't know how deep this goes, right? So the problem is that I don't know how deep this pullback goes here. Is there like a tool here that I can, okay, this is not the one, like a tool that I could use that would be awesome. I don't know if there is. I'm actually going to just show you on here. So let's go on Sol USDT on X 1 minute chart. Here we go. My grid is between these prices. So this is basically where the grid works, something like this. And then we 69, and we started here. So then it starts layering in. So I don't know if it will drop here or here or here or here. There is a possibility, because it's a 1 minute grid. It's very risky. There's a possibility this is a 0.5% move that I'm aiming here. This thing can really just drop like a rock and go all the way down to like 165 and beyond. You know what I mean? Like it's not a question. We can easily wick down. So I would not be surprised. But the idea here is that we're going to see this layer in on this initial reaction to the news. And I hope, actually I'm just thinking now this might be way too tight actually, because it's not as clear as it was yesterday. Let me just lower here the detail. Let me just go down and lower this. Let me just go down and lower this bot here. Maybe go down to 161. That's what we should do. Detail. I'm gonna go parameters, edit parameters. I'm gonna go 161. So then we have a little bit of a better estimated liquidation price is still there. So I'm gonna go like this. 162. Okay, cool. So this should be good. And then let's go there and let's click on the grid. So we're going to be able to see what's happening. So we'll layer in as it drops, right? So we're going to have news in 2 minutes, and I want to see that come out, and then we were just gonna monitor what is going to happen. But guys, let me know if you're here in the chat. Let me know. I'm gonna put back this. This is a good, cool song. I'll put in here. What's happening? No matter the trade got regged. What do you think about him? So matter the trader got regged. I don't know what that means. Let's go, bro. Put limits so we can put 200, 300 USD and test everyone off your bot. I have the Telegram, so you know I have the Telegram here. I'm sharing everything in the Telegram. It's free. You can join in. We're gonna have a Zoom session today as well, explaining all the bots and whatnot. So we do have this happening. But I don't want to put this bot out just now because I think it's just way too degen. I just want to show you how it can be done, and we're going to exit it as soon as possible. You've been sleeping on SPX 69. I've been calling this when you were born, my friend. Let's freaking go. What should we have? 30, 40 minutes school just now for making bots? We will. Is pullback done in your opinion? I think so, but crypto bill is going to be big. I'm going to do a show on banter straight after this, and I'll explain to you why that is. Is Solana dead? No. What if we see everything is going to negative, the PPI? Can we just cancel the bot? No, then the stop loss hits. So that's the risk that you're taking, right? So the risk for me is $500. If we go all the way down here, I'm losing $500. So if you put in $100, you're losing $100. If you put in $10, you're losing $10. That is how this thing works. So let me just see what happens here. I'm gonna put this up in big. This is our layer. So I expect an initial reaction either way. Okay, whether it's bullish or bearish, I expect an initial reaction. And that initial reaction is what we should be playing. So let's see what's happening. Boom, bam, boom, boom. Crypto bill will pass. I'll talk about that on Banters. It's actually super exciting. I'm gonna jump on the show in about 45 minutes. 25 seconds. Let's see what happens here. The reason why I use bots is because you can't do this manually. You cannot do this manually.
All of these meme coins for me and giving her 10% of my funds allocation to just focus on that. I'm paying her 20% on the basis she makes me 1,000% upside. And this is what
market is pumping. Initial reaction. Let's see what happens here. Market is pumping.
I'm still holding
initial reaction, let's see what it is. I've seen that 0% core PPI. Let's see what headline is. 0! Send my packs to fucking Valhalla! Bro, you have no idea how high we're going. You have no idea how high we're going. It's crazy. It's crazy. It is crazy. It is lower than the previous reading. CPI is good. PPI is coming in at sub-previous. Not sub-expectations, sub-previous, brother. You have no idea how high we're going. You have no idea how high we are going. No idea. Anyway, so this is fantastic. Let me see what this will do. I would expect it to wick down a little bit, liquidate early longs, and then start pumping. That's genuinely what I think is going to happen. We might even have to increase this the grids here, so we have more layering and opportunity. Let me just see if I can do that just now. Parameters. So I'm just gonna go back. Parameters 164. What was the level that we're looking at? 166. 166. 69. Let's go. Adopt. Modify. Modify. Let's go. Let's go. There is no inflation. This should bounce. This is gonna be a beautiful example. Oh, I just got wrecked here, but let's see. So this should just fill in. Probably just fill in a little bit of this. Maybe liquidates this. That's my only concern, that it can actually liquidate it. But the news is very good. So I would not be surprised if it liquidates a little bit down here and potentially holds here. See here. So this is why you have the bot. This is why you have the bot. It's literally just liquidation. It's market makers liquidating early longs, right? And the bot is buying up. It's already selling. The bot is already selling on these levels. I can't do this manually. I just don't have the time. I'm probably already in profit. Now I'm down 3%. So let's continue seeing this.
I lost 10 grand.
Exactly, you see? So this you cannot do manually. You simply are not able to follow this through manually. The bot bought in all these levels.
I lost 10 grand.
And now it's going to start selling. As you see, the levels don't disappear. The reason is because it's keep adding, so it's following the price. The bot follows the price. Guys, smash the like, and until we see this turn into profit and we make $200, I want to tell you one thing, and that is, what is this? And that is that I am very close to 50,000 followers in X. So if you, I'm very close, meaning I'm 8 followers away from 50,000 followers. So Cos said that I should do a backflip on show. I'm definitely not doing that. I'm gonna break my neck, but I'm gonna tweet this. And I want you to ask all your friends, everybody. I wanna hit it now. Like, I have to jump in 5 minutes because I'm gonna do the other show on Banter, but I wanna hit it now. And if we could, if we could do this now, I would love that. So please invite your friends, your neighbors, your everything. Cos is going to pin my X account up here. Invite everyone to follow me on X so we can hit it real time here. And I think that would be an incredible milestone. We're still missing 8 followers. 8, that's it. And I don't know. I might do a backflip here. I don't know. I'm just afraid that I'm gonna break my neck if I do a backflip here. But how is this doing? We're up $20. That's pretty good. Let's see if this is happening. So let me. I'm just gonna refresh this because I know that you guys are now calling your friends and your moms and your cat owners club and all that stuff. So I'm just checking it in here. Unfollowing now. Haha, so much funny. Do the hand plant on an. I could actually do a handstand. I will do a handstand, right? If we hit 50,000, I will do a handstand. I can do a handstand. So that's good. So we're missing still 8. I think everybody who's watching is following already. So make sure that you send this to your friends now. Like, I literally just want to break. You know what? I'm even gonna give away this cash if we make any profits here, which we obviously will because this is what we do on this channel. But let me see here. 8 followers still. Does this update like every minute or it updates like instantly? Can you unfollow me and follow me back?
We reached it.
How do you know?
I refreshed on the
Did we reach it?
on browser.
Did we reach it?
I think yes. Yes, we reached it.
Did we?
Yes.
Let me just see.
Refresh.
50,000! Guys. Because it's just turning on the camera for the vlog. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, so I do a handstand. Guys, we just reached 50,000. Okay, 50,002 in fact. Holy shit, what a journey, hey? Started January last year when I had 1,500 followers. Now we're up at 50,000 and we're just getting started. It's absolute legends, absolute legends. Now follow here on woohoo! Congrats, thank you. So good, so good, so good. So I think, I have to do the handstand, should I? And I think we should layer out of this position soon. But I'm gonna be fair. Like I said that you can just let me know what I should do here. So let's read it. Drink a bottle of Palinka. No, I'm not doing that. Shave a 50k design on the side of your head. No, not happening. Saying, can you dive in the pool? No. Blast the people with more alpha. Giveaway. We can do the giveaway. But should I? Nobody said handstand, so I'm not gonna do handstand here. But this is amazing. I'm so happy that we reached it here. We started here. We are here. 50k, bro. That's 50,000. 50,000. Half 100,000. Half 100,000. Half 100,000. But anyway, we're going to the moon, guys. Like, I'm gonna expect this to bounce a little bit here. And then I just... Say again? Full screen. Full screen. This is legendary, hey? 50,000.
Very heavily in Bitcoin. It looks like it's going down.
I lost 10 grand.
Okay, let's go. So this will do its work for now. I think it's extremely bullish. Let's see what 𝗤𝗢𝗙𝗙𝗏 is doing
It
here.
looks like it's going down.
I lost 10 grand.
It looks like
See what
it's
people
going
said.
down.
Maybe there's a good idea here.
She bought 2 ETH of Shibu in late
so
January,
good,
early
so
February,
good.
and sold it for 5 ETH. Was very happy. that 2 ETH of 𝗙𝗔𝗢 now is worth 44.5, or when it got to 0.0003 was worth $44.5 million.
Okay, should I do the handstand? I can do the handstand.
So, I mean, we bought a dip. We were so proud. We bought a dip of 𝗣𝗢𝗢, and then obviously 𝗣𝗢𝗢 got fucked. So right now,
I haven't done a handstand in a long time, so I'm gonna unplug my.
I'm still
I think
holding
people don't even want.
𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙,
I don't even want to see me do handstand.
and
Should I do the handstand? Like, let me know. Should I like do the handstand? Honestly, like we can just skip the handstand part to be very happy. Like I'm very happy like this. But don't crash. Exactly that's what I'm saying. The name of the song, please. Looks like it's going down. Can't find a YouTube video. Cause going to link it in a second. Just got Doctor. Yes, of course. You guys are ruthless, eh? Ruthless. Okay, let's do it. Handstand. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna be like speed. And do like a. Okay, let's do it. I don't want to take this out.
It looks like it's going down.
Definitely, like, it's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. Okay, do you think I can do it? My crash?
I lost 10 grand.
I don't know. Handstand you live once. Okay, this is actually a crypto channel. Just subscribe to the channel.
It looks like it's going down.
Hired someone today actually to manage
Guys,
dogs and all of these meme coins for me, and giving her 10% of my funds allocation to just focus on that. I'm paying her 20% on the basis she makes me 1,000% upside, and this is what she's just been focusing on since January. Literally, she found 𝗙𝗔𝗢 in January.
I'm still holding 𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗙, 𝗣𝗢𝗙𝗙𝗙.
Okay, that's all you're getting. That's all you're getting. I'm not doing it again. Oh my card, my Michael Saylor card, bro.
A lot of shit that's not performing right now, but for the week I've only
What's
been
happening
very,
here,
very
bro?
profitable.
Chubby. I broke the lamp. Did I break it?
Don't want to fight.
So I have this little thing which is like a.
I
have these cards.
Very heavily in Bitcoin. It looks like it's going down.
I'm gonna show you in a second. So I have these crypto cards. They are the first collectibles with like very unique traits and whatever. I met the guy a lot, and I'm gonna get him on the show.
I lost 10 grand.
Anyway, this is legendary freedom of speech. Okay. Woo!
It looks like it's going down.
One more try. No way. No way. No way.
ETH of 𝗙𝗢𝗙 in
Okay.
late January,
Let's go.
early
That was fun.
February.
So this is what our bots are doing. I do think that this is going to start flying. By the way, just so you know, I'm going to try to do. A Zoom on the Telegram. First of all, you want to sign up using the link in the description to Pionex, right? Second, you want to use the link in the description to join the Telegram group, which is completely for free. It's free. You join in and then you join. Third, I want you to join me on Crypto Banter in a bit. I'm gonna run down all the stuff that I'm doing with the whole situation around the US bill and whatnot. And also, I think like I just so appreciate y'all, like having, you know, hitting 50,000 a year live with you, killing the lamp. By the way, if you have a lamp, I would love if you could donate me a lamp. We wanted to buy a lamp anyway, so I don't think it's like kind of problem. It seems to be working though. Seems to be working. The bots are killing it, so we're gonna see what's happening here. But I do think that we have a massive push. I mean, if you look at this structure, see PPI comes in basically nothing. We do have a push here in a 1 minute. Even in the total, it's gonna come back 50 down, 3.70, and then all the way up, guys. This is all the way. Even if we start, this is the disbelief stage. This is what I'm gonna talk about in Banter as well. This is the disbelief stage. So if we get down here even 3.68, this is everything that you just need to buy and buy and buy and buy and buy. And this is what I tweeted. One, disbelief, but also I tweeted this today morning. There is 9 billion worth of Bitcoin potentially hitting the market, and US votes against crypto legislation, but you still can't get an entry. You still can't get an entry. This is what a disbelief stage looks like. This is why you're here. We're gonna do so much content here. Subscribe to the channel. Come back for another one. I am going to travel tomorrow, so not tomorrow, but we are. And I'm gonna keep you posted here. We're probably gonna do a short Zoom today to clear out some doubts before I leave. So join on Telegram and you will get the invitation, guys. Drunk on airplane handstand is much easy. I mean, I did a handstand. Now my shoulder hurts. I went motorbike riding and I fell, so my shoulder hurts. But BTC dominance going down, and you're also having issues with being in the USA with Pionex. Yes, unfortunately, VPN. Cause the say name of the song. Name of the song. Cause name of the song. So I'm gonna link it. It's called The Deep Radio Edit. But I want you. This is my good friend. I want you to. I'm gonna put it in the comment here. I want you to go and check this out, share it, love it. This is a good, awesome track. It's called The Dip. Listen to this. This is like the best thing.
Today, actually,
and I want to tell you one more thing before I leave. Is that this everything that you hear, like this is literally voice notes that this guy was getting for a long time. You know what I mean? Like from previous bulls and whatever, and then when previous bear market. And listen to what it says.
Funds allocation to just focus on that. I'm paying her 20% on the basis she makes me 1,000. I have hired someone. I'm paying her 20% on the basis she makes me 1,000% upsides. And this is what she's just been focusing on since January, literally. She found Shibu in January.
I'm still holding Tubby, Junior, Binu, Akita, Tibu, and
Listen what the memes they're holding.
And Dawn. And a bunch of other shit that's not performing right now. But for the week, I've already been very, very profitable, thank God.
Hi.
Can't see the video.
Don't want to fight, but I just wanted to ask you, I hope you haven't invested very heavily in Bitcoin. It looks like it's going down.
Yeah. Incredible. So anyway, go and check this out. This is actually the thing to be. But I also wanted to tell you that Cuz is going to put this up. We do have a channel. It's called the $1 Billion Hustle, and the $1 Billion Hustle is all about the vlog. But we're also going to start producing content, like proper content there. And I have one show which is about me going to the States, and I want to share this with you. Go and check it out. It's going to pin it, but also in the link in the description. If you like this is my first experience in the States as a European. This is the intro. I'm going to leave this here with you. I'll see you on 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙 very soon, and obviously see you back here soon. For the first time ever, I went to the United States of America. I didn't realize how big the United States actually is. So you have 330 million people who you can sell stuff to. I was thinking like, this guy's gonna follow me and shoot me in the back on the street. And I mean, this is Vegas, you see it. Staying at the Trump International was an experience. The food is just so different. I literally had goosebumps eating ketchup at McDonald's. Every hotel has a casino in it. So like you can walk in anywhere at 4 a.m. in the morning and play any game you want on any limits you want. For the first time ever. So anyway, if you want to see this, go and check it out. There's a link in the description. Cuz is also pinning it already. Go and check that out. Leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much for tuning in here. This is the way. What money did we make? Let me just go back here. We have to rename the show if we didn't make it, but we are going to make. I'm gonna leave this open. I'm gonna update you on the Telegram, and I do believe that this is going to hit at least $250 in the next maybe 3-4 hours. So we're going to do this, guys. Appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. I will see you very soon on Crypto Banter. Come and join us. This is going to be the Crypto Banter show. So click on that and come and see the show about the crypto bill and how it's structured and why today is one of the most important days in US crypto history out there. Check out this video, which is going to be the $1 Billion Hustle episode about me going to the United States. And click here to subscribe. I believe I'll see you in the next one. Take care.